In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini with YouTube's trending tool. Google Gemini is an innovative tool that can help you find high-quality, trending content on platforms like YouTube. Whether you're a content creator or just someone who's curious about the latest trends, this tool can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google. Open up your favorite web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once you're there, you're going to want to type Google Gemini into the search bar. This is your first step towards discovering all the trending content compiled by Google's robust algorithms, so it's pretty exciting. After you've typed Google Gemini and hit enter, take a moment to find and click on the official Google Gemini website in the search results. It's usually one of the first results you'll see. This will bring you to the tool where all the magic happens. Now that you've reached the Google Gemini site, it's time to make a prompt. This means you will be instructing the tool to perform a specific search on YouTube. For this demonstration, let's have Google Gemini search for the best videos that teach how to start a business from scratch. Simply type, "At YouTube search for the best videos that teach how to start a business from scratch," into the prompt box. Once you've entered your prompt, the next step is to click Submit. This might sound simple, but it's the key action that sets the wheels in motion. Submitting your prompt instructs Google Gemini to comb through vast amounts of YouTube content to find the best and most relevant videos for you. After you hit Submit, the tool gets to work, and in a short amount of time, Google Gemini will provide you with a list of YouTube links. These are the trending videos that best match your search prompt. You can then click on these links to watch the content directly, make notes about the trends, or even draw inspiration for your next project. To wrap things up, using Google Gemini in conjunction with YouTube's trending tool is a straightforward yet powerful way to access and analyze trending content. Whether you're diving into a new project or just wanting to stay informed about the latest trends, this tool can be an invaluable resource. I hope this guide helps you in making the most out of Google Gemini. Let us know in the comments if you found this helpful, or if you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share. Happy trending!